But when it comes to cross-border payment, when it comes to B2B, it's a brand new business. And just you mentioned that actually you asked why banks are not serving our customers, right? Who are exporters, very small companies. They are comprising more than 60% of the total exporting volume already. But banks found this business is not profitable. And what's more important, because of AML, they are in lack of AML capabilities to deal with SMEs who are, they are in lack of their internal control. They do not have a very good sense of risk management. So to banks, it could be huge risk if they are going to provide services to all these SMEs. So this is a brand new business. That's why we just resigned from Ant Financial and started XTransfer. So we believe this is a huge opportunity, and this is brand new business comparing to consumer-related business just like Alibaba and WeChat has been doing. So the advantage I think we are building is kind of good enough to offend all these potential competitions.
So why would multiple governments, all of whom at least say they're very concerned about money laundering and knowing your client, the AML and the KYC, why would they trust a small startup company to fulfill that function rather than a big established institution?
Yeah, so firstly, in the first place, it's the banks. We have to persuade them to understand us and to trust us. So this is not easy. So we started with, for example, DBS. They are a very, very digitalized bank. They are very, they were very keen to support new models. They put us on the watch list. So they monitor our performances until we, prove the mechanism we built, the infrastructure we built is able to support to SMEs and meet the requirements of the regulators. Firstly, the accuracy should be very high, right? And the cost, on the other hand, should be very low. And what's more important, the customer's experience should be very good. So actually right now, 98% of our transactions is now being monitored automatically by our AI infrastructure. So we achieve these three goals simultaneously. So we won the trust step by step by winning the trust from every one single bank partner we are working with, and also indirectly or directly talking to the regulators in different countries. So this is a hard job.
What's your next growth stage with AI, with these models, so that you're increasingly a winner in all of this?
So yeah,
you started this company barely 8 years ago, right?
Yeah, 8 years ago.
And now you're a very large private company. So what's the next 8 years with these questions? How do you integrate them, and how do you stay ahead?
So we are now going global, which means we are not only serving China-based exporters, importers, but the clients outside of China. So they call us B2B version of PayPal. This is a business wallet, right? But this new wallet, I think it's fully empowered by AI. Just like so, one of the key tasks we are doing actually it's about anti-money laundering. So it's all about using all the data, all the documents we could get. So large language model is the master of knowledge and master of information. So we utilize AI to analyze all the documents we can get from our customers, so that we get a collective. We have been collecting the identity of the buyers and sellers, the characteristics, data points of how they ship, how they sell, this kind of thing. So AI is a very powerful tool. So going forward, if we are going to expand globally, because many of the knowledge could be outside of our, the brains of our people sitting in Shanghai, the anti-money laundering, the engineers, the workers there, right? But with the help of AI, I think it is fantastic, because they have a full suite of knowledges for every one country, from every corridor. So AI is really, really very helpful.
So you think a lot of your growth will be kind of a global AI-powered anti-money laundering, know your client app.
And even the service, the interface between us and our customers, I think it will be changing